Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, the 24th of January, about 7 a.m. in the morning here in the Philippines. I'm just going to take you for a short walk. As you can see, this is our compost rows in the banana field here. So I'm just going to, and they're all new compost rows, so just kind of wanted to let you see how they look here. Kind of take a walk down between the rows of banana trees. I'll keep you informed as the composting continues here and try to give you any more pointers of if you're interested in composting or doing what I'm doing here on our organic farm here. So all these rows are layers of green grass, dried leaves. Slowly but surely, as our pig pens are right there, we're adding the pig dung to each one of the rows, and then we basically kind of mix that up, let it sit for a while, and continue the composting process. So I'm going to stand up and kind of walk down here. It's very convenient having the pig pen so close here, but you can actually see the amount of compost rows we have here, and like I said, it requires an extremely lot of work, but I believe it's worthwhile in order to be able to grow the plants. As I kind of turn around slowly here, and you can look and see the length of our banana field, and I've got one row left here. There's 6 rows here, and this was the last one that was started, so it's fairly small. And as it goes here, we'll add the pig dung, and we'll add more grass as we cut it, and dried leaves. So just bringing you up to date, this whole area here is now brand new, and the amount of rain we've gotten during the rainy season here has really helped in the decomposing process and that, and we've moved all that, and we used about half of our finished compost in planting our coffee trees, also putting some around the base of all of our mango trees. And the bin that we built here has a good amount. I kind of take you by here of compost, so just keeping you updated. And the remainder of the coffee trees that we have left. And this is where we take the compost from now in order to fertilize the plants and the vegetables and everything. So I'll let you go. Just wanted to bring you a little bit up to date. Thanks for viewing. Like and subscribe.